Hey guys, it's Ashley, also known as Curls for the Girls, and today I'm going to talk to you more about a new lipstick from bareMinerals. It's the BAREPRO Longwear Lipstick. I love this lipstick because it's a clean longwear formula that wears up to 8 hours. It's transfer proof. This lipstick has a weightless feel, a soft matte finish. I love this color. This color is so pretty. I love how it feels. It's very comfortable. My lips do not feel dry at all. Now for a bolder look, I'm going to use the shade Boysenberry. This is the perfect berry shade. I really hope that you all enjoyed this look.